untouched. And even after 2 years, there hasn't been a single issue with this channel. But how did I do this? I did it using Creative Commons videos. But wait, you must have tried this too. But your channel must have received a strike for reusing content somewhere. So the question arises, what was I doing that caused me to not receive a strike even after 2 years? And you haven't been able to monetize this type of channel yet? What is Creative Commons? Where do you find copy-pasted videos? How do you get them monetized? Is there any risk in this? Will copy-pasted videos from Mr. Beast be monetized? How to avoid review content? I'm going to reveal answers and secrets to many such questions in this video. The video may be a bit complicated because we're going to discuss a lot of rules. But if you watch this video to the end, no one can harm you. Not YouTube, not any of its policies. In this video, I'm not going to misdirect you by giving fake advice to other YouTubers. Rather, let's get started. Before moving forward in this field, you should know about YouTube's licenses. Any videos or content you upload to YouTube are divided under 2 licenses, a standard license and a Creative Commons license. When a creator uploads a video, they have the option to choose between these 2 licenses. But what do these licenses mean? Let's delve into this in a little more depth. The first is the YouTube Standard License. According to this license, you have full ownership of your video, meaning you have complete rights to it. However, YouTube has permission to show your video to people worldwide without paying you any royalties. Simply put, no one except you can use your content. The Creative Commons license is slightly different. According to this license, the creator, who owns their content, gives you permission to reuse it, but only as long as you comply with the terms of the license. If you've included your content under a CC license, you've given other users permission to modify, remix, distribute, and reproduce your content. Now, pay special attention to these 4 words I've mentioned. We'll discuss them in detail later. Additionally, you have the full right to monetize content licensed under a CC license without any copyright concerns. All you need to do is give the original creator proper credit, either in the description or simple. You just need to go to YouTube and type the keyword you want in the search bar. Then, go to the filters and select Creative Commons, then click Search. All the results you see will be Creative Commons videos. Now, if you're excited by this, try to temper your excitement. Not all of the videos you see here are genuine Creative Commons videos. Some are fake. So, what are real and fake Creative Commons? Let's understand this thoroughly. Whenever you open a Creative Commons video, you'll see a license at the bottom of its description, which says, Creative Commons Attribution License Reuse Allowed. This isn't mentioned in the standard video license, but it's definitely mentioned in CC. So, you need to make sure that any video you're about to download has this tag in its description. But this tag isn't actually the difference between real and fake relative comments. Why? I'm going to explain this to you now. So, open your ears and mind carefully. Let's say this is my fact-related channel, where I upload all the videos. Everything from content creation to scripting is mine. I've worked hard to monetize the channel, and it's getting a good number of views. All my videos are under the standard license. Now, because my videos are going viral, one day a YouTube user sees my videos and gets an idea. They download them, create a new channel, and upload them to it under a Creative Commons license. The question is whether the videos they uploaded are actually Creative Commons videos. Can you use them? I think you've already figured out the answer. So, let me give you the real answer. The answer is no. This won't be a real Creative Commons video. You might ask why. Creative Commons is written below the video. So, you're absolutely right. You can use that video, but what will happen? You'll download that guy's video and upload it to your channel, and then one day I'll see your channel in my field, or at least in my YouTube studio. What will I do after that? I'll strike one because you've stolen my hard work. If I strike, YouTube will side with me because I didn't put my videos in Creative Commons. Someone else did, and it escaped my attention. But you're trapped. To put it simply, anything purchased from the black market doesn't belong to you. The real owner can claim it the day they see it, and the police will also hand it over to that person, because that person is the real owner, not you. You simply purchased it from the black market. So, you have to make sure that any Creative Commons video on YouTube wasn't uploaded by a second person. It was uploaded by the first person, i.e., the owner, and was uploaded under the Creative Commons license. And how do you verify other videos? For example, let's say I want a CC video related to golf. What I'll do is go to the search bar, type in golf, apply a filter, and click search. After this, I was presented with a number of Creative Commons videos related to golf. I scrolled for a few seconds and found this video, which was under CC. However, I wanted to make sure it wasn't uploaded by someone else and that the original creator was this person. To verify this, I went to his channel and watched his other videos and analyzed them a bit. He's featured in all the videos, and he's uploaded over 1,000 videos and has been uploading them for the past 10 years. From here, I was convinced that this video was from his channel, and that he had voluntarily added it under Creative Commons. This is a bit of common sense that you'll have to use yourself to determine whether the video is actually under the CC&E license or if someone else downloaded it and uploaded it. Now you know how to find videos on Channel through it. First, you need to decide on your niche and then find a creator in your niche whose maximum videos are under CC so you never run out of content. For example, while searching for golf, I found this channel with the highest number of videos under CC. When I searched for related content, I found a channel called Joey Black with the highest number of videos under CC. Similarly, in the luxury niche, there's Famous Entertainment, whose videos I copied to grow my channel. Similarly, by searching for every keyword, you'll find a channel with the highest number of videos under CC. Even in tags and YouTube niches, you'll find Marcus Jones' channel with the highest number of videos under CC. You just need to spend some time searching for this. Now, I know one more thing. My audience is very smart, and they might be thinking, I'll just download all the CC videos and start uploading them to my channel. What does a niche have to do with it? Quote, so, let me tell them, if you start your channel without a niche, it'll be very difficult to grow. It doesn't matter. You can upload